Yo, guys, let me show you my friend. My friend has come. Let me show you my friend here. Hello, friend. Hello, friend. Come. You see? That is my friend. That is my good friend. Come, friend. And then we feed it because it is my good friend. It is my very good friend. Do you guys have friends? You guys have friends? Huh? A friend bad. Friend bad. My very good friend. My friend knows I'm here. It's only eating but not drinking water. You see? Eating very nicely. I've offered it water, not drinking, not touching. Not touching my water. It is afraid because it's seeing me. It knows I'm here. Look. Trying to fly to that window, if I'm not wrong. My friend. No, don't go. Come back and drink water. My friend. My friend. Ah, my friend doesn't like. My friend has gone. Why? My friend. My friend. Why?